Have you ever wondered how to create good knockout art? Well, here at HTV Fast Online Designer, we have it there for you. First thing you want to do is select a rectangle and duplicate it. The reason why we want to do this and create a second color is so you can get a cutout of the box where you're going to actually put your wording. So in our designer, there are options to the left that you can click and resize and pick different types of shapes, but for the sake of this one, we're going to do a rectangle. As you see, I am making sure that the rectangle is fitting pretty square inside there. There's some options that you can do to recenter it and do some things. Then we're going to add the text that we would like. I'm going to do it in a two text type of thing so I can separate them and knock them out at a different point. You also can change the color of those words at any given time. So to make sure that I'm showing you exactly how to do this, I made them two different colors, black and red, even though when I go to take it to my vinyl cutter, I'm only going to use one color. So then there's the font options that you're able to select. There's tons of them for you to choose from. You can pick them slants, you can envelope them, fade them out, slant them. There's all different types, but for the sake of this, we went with this type of bold print so we can actually see it on our shirt. Now, after doing that, I will select the whole box. I'll go to arrange and I will click center and then you can click slice. Now, the reason why we do that is we need to take the box and make sure that whenever we pull the words away, it takes that part away and just leaves the words. So then we took our second word, we changed the font to that, sized it up. You can click middle center, which makes the word straight inside the first rectangle that you made. All these different types of options, and there's different fonts that you can play around. You don't have to use the same one on each one. Then you want to select all, go down, click slice. What this does is it makes sure that the words are punched out. Then you select the word and then you click delete. Then you select the box and then you click delete. Next thing you know, you have a design that says pedal out. You can resize it so you can put it on multiple things, front of a shirt, long sleeve, or even a pant leg. Be sure to subscribe to HTV Fast on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And remember, the only missing piece is you.